Yeah. Someone at the door ajar, now I'm here to stay. Tell me who the fuck gonna face the music. More brick laying, less screen time. Been cutting back on the daily usage. Long road for the road dogs, for the weird miles from a soapbox. Got BKTs on this bitch, so everybody getting rolled on, yeah. Yeah, everybody getting rolled on. Check artist credits on BMI. I'm just too kind to expose y'all. And I see a team with the gold sign. And question if y'all ever wrote songs. All enemies, I'm on a band study. Please don't test me, I'ma know it all. Got platinum songs in the vault collecting dust. If we talk about showing up, then y'all attended suck. Both feet on the gas pedal, bitch, I ain't letting up. Started singing, they fell in love. Came a long way from being talentless. Be anything, I was challenged in. Pressure turned me into a precious cut. Floodlights hit a flooded chain. 30 city tour in a ton of states. I can't wait till I up the leaves from the minors in my art come of age. Seen a lot of people playing seeds to the dream, growing patient and run away. I cultivated, irrigated it, now the growth amazing. I love the change, oh yeah. Been laughed at before, been lil' bro, now the same one saying pass me the torch. I ain't passing y'all shit. For the skate, California license plate, when I'm passing y'all in. Take that to the chin, lay back, let's succumb to it, then shit can get spicy. Ain't shit sweet cause of light skin, I don't take shit lightly. Cut pretend that she like me, but can't entertain the psyche. No time for a bae, I'm too busy getting hyphy. Two full-time jobs, when the fuck does he rest? Never when you untan, teed up like Titleist on my friends. I'm in this shit to the end, I'm getting more with the drive to feel more on my mind, yeah. I'm still sore from the heavy lifting that I've had to do, but it's fine. How many legs I got up on them shit resembling a whole centipede? Worried one-sided with the competition, I've been residing where the rent is free. I got brothers and I got acquaintances, why nobody is a friend of me. Fan roots deeper than an evergreen, clear us and them, got a separate creed by any means. I'ma step past seeding, I'm in the cut with the gang, damn y'all can't stop the bleeding. And premonitions brought it all to life for me, 4 years of foreseen it. Stopped asking that to let it be, cause it all happens for a reason. Someone at the door ajar, now I'm here to stay. Tell me who the fuck gonna face the music. More brick laying, less screen time. Been cutting back on the daily usage. Long road for the road dogs, for the weird miles from a soapbox. Got BKTs on this bitch, so everybody getting rolled on, yeah.